It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I'm doing things in the kitchen today. I've got a load of potatoes which were sprouted and that, so they need using up before they completely go off. I would save them to plant in the garden, but I've got a load of potatoes to plant up anyway, so I don't need any more. So I've made some like oven chips, French fries if you like. There's herbed potatoes on the bottom, and this is turmeric and cayenne. And this is all I'm doing to them. Because the oven's on for other things, I'm just going to take some out of the pile. And they will be cooked up for my tea. These will go from flash freeze in the freezer. I'll spend about an hour or two in the freezer, and then I'll put them into bags, portion them up. So let's cover them up. And these few I'm going to put in the bottom of the oven and just let them cook while I'm using the oven for other things. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I've come to the end of my cooking for the day, and these chips are now done. Chips, French fries. You don't have to make them from potatoes and herb them yourself. You can have them just cut up potatoes or bought potatoes and chips. But what I do now, what I like to do, both me and Rachel love these. I do them on the tinfoil so it doesn't stick to the middle of my container. Is on a load of cheese on. It's a lot of cheese. But I'm just going to have these by themselves. But you can put less on and have them with whatever you want. Or, in my case, have them by themselves. So I'll put them back in the oven for about another 5-10 minutes. Just to let them, the cheese melt and brown. Yes, those at the back are sausage rolls. I decided, well, I felt like making some, so I did. All the cheese is melted over them. Now you can dish these out, but why dirty your place up too much? So I just move them onto the plate and eat them like that. If I'm having these cheesy chips, the thing I like to do is just put on a few dollops of mayonnaise, and that really does help. If you've got that squeezy mayonnaise, you can just squeeze some mayonnaise over them. You can have salad with this. Cheese on the top and mayonnaise on the bottom. Be careful, that cheese is very hot, but it's also very nice. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.